Figma AI is getting even more powerful now thanks to Google Nano Banana. With Google Nano Banana, you can tweak images and even add objects to existing ones. For example, if you bring tiny images or a collage into the canvas, select Edit Image, and then ask the AI tool, change my clothes to these items, or put me in the background, you'll see high-quality images generated right inside Figma AI, which is pretty crazy. Nano Banana has really made these tools much more powerful, and if you already have Figma AI, you can access all of this completely free of cost.
I'm gonna get a,
The hardest thing is to get started. You have to get it on paper.
Prototype. Test fast, fail fast.
It's the ideas and the choice of which ones to flush out that I think are very human disciplines.
We have started to deal with computers in higher and higher levels of abstraction. Just push a button.
Rapid prototyping allows you to identify what's important early on. You're able to learn very quickly.
People then end up spending more time on the decisions of what they want to actually make.